we're going to be studying some organic chemistry, but first, what I really want to do is to pick out some areas in the table of contents that, oh, sorry about that sound, that would actually be really interesting to read, or that I plan to read to help me understand this whole book of organic chemistry. So there's the title, blank pages, some authors, okay, and the table of contents. Okay, now from here, I'm trying to find a chapter I want to read. So, chapter 1, Remembering General Chemistry. Now, I already know a lot about general chemistry, so I might as well just skip that. What I really want to learn more about is about the physiology and the stuff that goes on in the body, or how these molecules actually affect our body. Since I took a general chemistry course to get into this class, I don't really need to pay too much attention to that. So, acids and bases, central to understanding organic chemistry. That sounds like something I need to know. Tutorial, well, that's nice. There's an introduction to organic compounds, nomenclature, properties. These are things I really need to understand because I tend to forget things like these. Molecular models, probably something to skim over. So what I'm going to do is probably put a skim note right there. Okay, isomers. Isomers, these things are different, they're basically different versions of molecules, so those are going to be important to study as well. And the tutorial that comes with it too. Alkenes, structure and nomenclature. See, after I get through these basic things over here, I can probably get to the alkenes. I'll have a better idea of what I really want to learn in terms of alkenes. And there's also an exercise in drawing curved arrows. So yeah, I need not too much, just a basic idea of alkenes, some of the reactions in chapter 6 and 7, so you could tell that this topic of alkenes is a foundational step to understanding organic chemistry, because 2 chapters are based on it. Delocalized electrons and their effects on stability, pK, and the products of a reaction. Electrons, drawing resonance, contributors, substitution. Alcohols, these are something I really want to learn about. So in chapter 11, I'll probably read through that a lot. Elimination reactions of organometallic compounds. See, these interesting names you really want to read. Radicals, these are really important. I want to learn that. So if I really want to get through this whole book, I'm going to go through some of the foundational chapters and the things I'm really interested in. The things I'm really interested in to show that I actually care about these things. Okay, now these, when you really have an understanding of organic chemistry, mass spectrometry is actually the real stuff. Like you're looking at the actual organic compounds. Now these are things that you really, these are the machines already that you're going to use. And NMR, I actually worked in lab and I have a pretty good idea of some of these instruments. So as you go down through the chapters, you'll have a better idea of what these instruments are and what they do. Carboxylic acids. Okay, there's a lot of aldehydes, ketones, things I really need to understand. I guess an introduction to carboxylic acids are probably important. Carbon-carbonyl, benzenes, or you see these simple terms that you hear a lot. These are things you really want to study. Amines, carbohydrates, amino acids, got types, coenzymes. Now we're getting into some of the biochemistry section of organic chemistry. Synthetic polymers. Oh, that's really loud. That's basically what I wanted to go through for today, guys, and I hope I'm able to cover this book by the end of this week. So we'll see how my progress goes, and thanks for watching.